Welcome to SAP.
In this video, we will discuss about what is SAP HANA and what is the difference between SAP HANA and SAP HANA Cloud. Let's come to our first topic. What is SAP HANA? SAP HANA is a high-performance in-memory database that accelerates data-driven real-time decision-making and actions and supports all workloads with the broadest advanced analytics on multi-model data on-premise and in the cloud. Our next topic is the difference between SAP HANA and SAP HANA Cloud. First is SAP HANA without boundaries on a database management system, where you can develop intelligent and live solutions for quick decision-making on a single data copy. And with advanced analytics, you can support next-generation transactional processing features of SAP HANA. First is on-premise, multi-cloud, and seamless hybrid deployments. Second is secure and enterprise-ready database with more than 32,000 customers. Third is in-memory machine learning to embed intelligence into applications and analytics. Fourth is a single-column-oriented database for transactional and analytical workloads with any data type. SAP HANA Cloud build data solutions with cloud-native scalability, speed, and performance. With the SAP HANA Cloud database, you can gain trusted, business-ready information from a single solution while enabling security, privacy, and anonymization with proven enterprise-reliable features of SAP HANA Cloud. First is a fully managed multi-cloud environment with a seamless hybrid deployment. Second is a cloud database solution that delivers scalability, speed, and flexibility. Third is connected, distributed data without the need to collect it. Fourth is advanced data tiering to quickly manage performance, cost, and storage during the volatility